Need to fix World of Warcraft login not working? Then I'm gonna guide you with the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. So you might be in the position where you are trying to log in into your Warcraft account, but you are not being able to. In this case, you can try refreshing the website. Close the tab and then reopen it. Sometimes refreshing the website has also fixed the issue. If not, you can try using a different web browser. If you're using Safari previously, you can try using Chrome. In the search bar, search for World of Warcraft login. Now head over to the very first site. Once you've landed on this official page, tap on this icon at the top right corner of the screen. You need to click on Login. Now try logging into your specific account by entering your login credentials. You might be good to go. If not, try checking whether your internet connection is working properly or not. Also make sure to join the stable internet connection. Once done, now move into the App Store on your device. If you're using the application, then in the search bar search for Battle.net. Move into this app right here. You need to make sure to update this application on your device. After that, you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.